morning, everyone. I'm posting a video kind of midday for the agenda. I do apologize. I've had a lot of tech issues today. I have no idea why. As far as I knew, I thought there was restrictions I know for Unit 2 were set up, and then they weren't, and then something happened. So I have gone in and I fixed all the restrictions. So it should be as normal as lessons get submitted, the next one's open. If you're having any problems with that, please let me know. As well as drop boxes. Due dates weren't showing up, but I had inputted them, so they're all fixed right now. Lesson 4, the Padlet for demographics and photography techniques, that wasn't working. It's now working. So again, I am not sure what happened. I'll call it just case of the Mondays. As far as I know, it's all fixed and we should be good to go. So please let me know if it's not working for you. And specifically the agenda, our news reports are due today by tonight, actually by midnight. Make sure you get those in so that you can, in fact, get into Unit 2. Don't forget about our discussion boards. They are super important in regards to your mark in participation, communication, critical thinking, etc. So make sure that you're getting to those as well. I was away sick Friday, and I apologize. So I'm halfway through marking your power paragraph assignments. I will continue and try and get those finished by end of day today. If not, first thing in tomorrow, you'll have all of them back and you will have all of them marked. Progress reports went out today. You get one every single week. They're not an actual official report card. Progress reports just kind of, I let students know where they're at on a weekly basis. So because we go in 6-week chunks, it goes by pretty fast. And sometimes not all students can log in every day, even though that is strongly recommended, especially at a 3C level. But we just send out progress reports. They're super quick to your D2L emails, just kind of saying where you're at, making sure if you're caught up, it'll say you're progressing well. If you're missing a couple of things, it'll kind of identify that as well. So they're meant to be helpful to you as a way to kind of check in weekly so we don't get too behind and then, you know, feel too overwhelming to get caught up. So just wanted to give out a quick shout out in regards to a video. Hope you guys are doing well. If you need any help whatsoever, then email me, let me know, and we can set something up. All right, guys, talk soon. Have a great day.